County in eastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., doppler radar indicating thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Houston, Bethlehem, Fort, Wilson, Washington, Nazareth, Bedford, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Duck, and West Easton. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles.